Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add glitz effect in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, create a new document. Press Ctrl Z, duplicate background and color black. Again, create a new layer and type text. Select your text style. Hold Ctrl, align middle. Then right click, rasterize to this text. Press Ctrl Z, again press Ctrl Z. Duplicate 3 same layer. Then go to Image tab, Adjustment, Channel Mixer. First of all, select Red, click OK. And secondly, go to Image, Adjustment, Channel Mixer, Green. Red, green, blue. Okay. Then select text layer and move left or right, up and down as used. Example, use select arrow key and move left and move right, some upper and down. And hold shift, select 3 layer, right click, convert to smart object, again rasterize. Go to filter tab, add noise. First of all, use select rectangle selection tool and select horizontal, click arrow key, again move left or right, press Ctrl D again, move tool left, press Ctrl D, press Ctrl D. Then go to filter tab, noise, add noise. Garcia, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.